Hi guys, Mihoko here. Today I want to show you how to use the Carlin and make the updo but without showing the tip of the Carlin. So here we go. Same as usual, use put your hair through the center. Now this whole process is exactly the same. The only change is once you have your hair rolled up, slide your hair down toward the end. So your hair covers to the tip. Then you go through the same process. They'll twist to tighten. And then I will press it down so the ends are small. Then bring it together. So this process is the same. And then you want to pull your hair now up to cover. So this is how you can cover up the ends so that it looks like you have a completely full updo. Hope this is helpful. Thank you.